Good evening, guys. We're going to go here live for the Amazing Spider-Man number 55.5 CGC. First Kingpin. That baby. Alrighty, so let's go live. There we are. We are live and we have a time of 8:44 p.m. here. Current local time 8:44 here. We're going to go over to our list. Our random.org shows 8:44 here. ASM 55.5, CGC First Kingpin. We have 53 items on the list. Everyone is paid up. I got one more payment out there, but he's PM'd me. We are all good. So, verifying. There's a 53 spots. Okay, here we go. We'll come back and we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll the 3 dice. There we go. 6. There's the first round. 2, 3, 4. Congratulations to Spot 46, George Presnell. Spot 46, we've gone 6 times. There's our verification code. We will post that shortly. And George, congratulations. Time at 8:45. Local time at 8:45. 8:45. And we are Let me roll down. And we are done. Alright, guys. Congratulations. Winner 7 p.m. And I'll get this book shipped out and whatnot. Alright. Have a good one. Thanks.